Hello everyone, welcome back with the second puzzle. Not in today's newspaper, because on Sunday we don't receive any newspaper. It's the Saturday edition, April the 23rd, 2022. We have two puzzles left. I've already solved this one, the letter Sudoku. Now it's time for the Sudoku with 2 stars. And after this puzzle, the last puzzle will be a tectonic with 1 star. But first, Sudoku with 2 stars. And this will be number 4455. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong, okay? And for 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. So let's get started. Let me see. 4 missing numbers in this row. 2 of those missing numbers are the 4 and the 9. We have a 4 and a 9 in this big square, so no 4 and a 9 in these 2 boxes. The 4 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and a 9, 4 and 9. So what are the other 2 numbers in this row? For the numbers 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Wait. 3 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 5. We have a 2 and a 5 in the middle column, so no 2 and a 5 in this box. The 2 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. So what is this box? What number is this? The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. Okay. Right. Then 5 missing numbers. Yeah, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9 in this row. So no 9 in these 3 boxes. Here 9 in the second column. So no 9 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 should be there. 4 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2 in the second column, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. So the 2 could be here, could be there. That means we have a 2 in one of those 2 boxes in this middle row. So this box cannot be a 2 anymore. This box should be a 5, and that box should be a 2. All right. Then four in this column. Oh, we have a pair. 4 and a 7 in the last column. 4 and a 7 in that column. So the column between, the only 2 places left for the 4 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 4 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1 in the last column, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. Here 1 in the first row, so no 1 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9 in this first row, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers. So 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and a 6, 5 and a 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. Then 1 in the first row, 1 in the third row. So the row between the second row, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see that 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. Alright, okay. Okay. Then Ooh, 74217 72749. Yeah. 3 3 3 5 8 and 6. I'm thinking. We have a 4 in the third column, 4 in the second column. So the first column, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. Come on. The 2 in this column, the 2 in the middle column. So the column next, there are only 3 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see that 2, no 2 there. Here 2, no 2 there. The only place left for the 2 should be there. 6. Come on. 2 in the first row, 2 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see that 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. And I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can't be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. We have all the 2s, and all the 2s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 2. Wait. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 could be here. Okay. Come on. 159. Yeah. We have here in this big square 1 2 3 4 5 6 missing numbers. 3 of those missing numbers in this big square are the 1, the 5, and the 9. We have a 1, the 5, and the 9 in the first column. So no 1 and the 5 and the 9 in these 3 boxes. The 1, the 5, and the 9 goes in these 3 boxes. So what are the other 3 missing numbers? The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, and the 8 is missing. 378. That means 1 digit left in this column. 371, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing here. Okay. 6. So we have a 6 in one of those 2 boxes. In this row, 6 in the third row. So the row between, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 1 box left in the second row for the number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 7. 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, 5, 5, 3, 5, and 8. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see an 8 in this column. So no 8 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8. Should be there 2 missing numbers. In this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 5 in one of those 2 boxes in the first row. So no 5 in that box. 5 should be here. And a 3 goes there. 5 in this column. 5 in that column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. So here we have 2 missing numbers. The 1 and the 9 should be here. Okay, 1 and 9, 1 and 9. That means 1 digit left in this column for the 7. Yes, 7 is missing here. 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7. Yes. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. So 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and a 6, 1 and a 6. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 box left in the middle row for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing now. We have a 6 there, so this box can be 6 and more. That box should be 6. And that box should be a 5. 5, 3, 8. 5, 3, 8. No. 2 missing numbers in first row. For the numbers are 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7 and 8, 7 and 8. That means the other 2 missing numbers in this big square are the numbers are 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8. And the 9 is missing, 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, the 9 goes there, now we have a 9 there. So this box can be 9 and more, that box should be a 9. And this box should be a 4. Okay. Then. 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. So the last row, the only 3 places left for the 6 should be here, here, or there. We see there's 6, no 6 there. Here, 6, no 6 there. The only place left for the 6 should be there. 2 missing numbers in the middle column for numbers. So 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 1 goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes with the 1 and a 9. Now we have a 1 here. So this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here a 9 in this row, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. Here 9 in this column, so no 9 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the row below. So the last row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see that 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here. And all the 9s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 9. Okay. Well. Let me see. 2, 2, 6, 6, 5. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see that 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 5 in this row, 5 in the last row. So the row between, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see that 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 5 in this column, 5 in the last column. So the column between, the only place left for the 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 5. 1 box left in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. 1 box left in the last column for number 1, 2, 3 is missing. 2 boxes left in this big square for numbers 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. So, no, 1. Wait, 2 missing numbers. The 7 and 8, I've marked this box 7 and 8. We have an 8 now, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 7 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 7. 2 boxes left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 8 goes there. 3 in this row, 3 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. I've marked those 3 boxes with the 3, 7, 8. We have a 3 now. So the 7 and 8 are missing. 7 and 8. We have a 7 there. No 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 8 goes there. Finish in 16 minutes. Great. A Sudoku with 2 stars. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. Before I leave, I'm interested in the center boxes of the big squares. Maybe you can see a pattern, maybe I can see a pattern. I'm collecting those numbers, data, for more than 9 weeks. I will stop after 10 weeks and will share you with the data. 753, 753, 189, 189. And 416, 416. Here we have the 1 as a pair. 1 pair, I believe. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, 1 pair. All right. Thank you. See you later. Bye bye for now.